Hi everyone, welcome to another CountyCom One Take video. Today's exciting cool thing to show you, here it is, it's down here. But let's talk about real quick, probably a lot of you already have the folding titanium craft knife. It's really a scalpel, it's a folding scalpel. The history goes back to our art department designed it for their use. We made it for everyone's use. Very, very popular, very, very cool. It's doing really well. How do we make it better, right? Well, make it bigger, right? So here it is. This is the oversized folding titanium craft scalpel knife. Comes with spare blades, comes with a nice little nylon case, seatbelt webbing, really, really neat. It's got the same golf ball textured pattern that the standard one does. Oversized one has, this is titanium, also has a titanium clip. So those of you that have some of our EDC pens will probably recognize the clip. Same clip design. So like that. It's got the screws, of course. The blade attachment, blade fixture, that is steel, because if it were titanium, the hard steel blade would cause it to wear very, very quickly. So that's bad. So this is steel, but everything else is titanium on it. So it's got the clip, it's got a full-size, extra large blade. Some of you, may recognize that. That is an autopsy blade. We're gonna give you 8 of them with it. So there is my scale. That's like 2.5 inches long. 2.5 inches of blade. Sharp cutting. Boom, boom, boom. It is marked number 60 on the blade. A 60 scalpel blade. On the back, it's marked titanium. Well, it helps if I turn it around for you guys. Titanium. It's got our cage code, and it is a folding. So it is officially called the Oversized Folding Titanium Craft Scalpel Knife with case and spare blades. So like I said, we'll give you 8 spare blades. We'll give you a really nice case. This to me reminds me a lot of my father had, it was called a melon knife. It was a long, thin blade, and it was for cutting up melons on picnics. I don't remember going on many picnics, but there was a melon knife. And this is what that reminds me of. Okay, so of course it's a scalpel, very, very sharp. Be very, very careful. To change the blades, not a big deal. Don't get stressed out on this. Plenty of YouTube videos on how to change blades. It involves taking a set of forceps here, bending it slightly, actually not even bending, it's lifting and pushing. But here it is. I'm doing it the dangerous way. This is not the way you're supposed to do it. Push that, just push that up, pull that off. That easy. New blade, same thing. Goes into the little slot there, and you can see that there's some notches there. That's to help keep it very, very tight, and it is locked in. It's that easy. So changing blades, don't get stressed out on changing blades. It's a scalpel. It's blades are meant to be changed. You can see the golf ball pattern on that. They're saying that the golf ball pattern, our engineer folks have figured out that there's 300% more surface area than if it was just flat. More surface area means more grip, more grab. That's a good stuff. So there you go. So what are the specs? You probably want to know. Weight, 1.4 ounces. So it's very, very light. We know it's titanium. Means it's really, really strong and corrosion resistant. Yeah, you can take it apart. I always get asked this question, so I'm just going to say it here. You can take these scales off if you want. If you wanted to, it's going to involve some things. It's kind of a medium or advanced skill. Take it apart, and you actually could turn these into colors with heat or through the electrical anodizing process, electroanodizing titanium. So it would actually anodize well, including the pocket clip. It's a medium or advanced skill level thing. Do not send us a bag full of parts and say, I can't get it together, because that's just ruins our day here. So 1.4 ounces, dimensions open, 7.75 inches. So 7 3/4 inches when it's open. It's 0.62 inches tall, 0.32 inches wide. So it's a small little package. Oh, when it closes, that goes to 4 1/4 inches. So I'll give you the quick look to that compares it to the little brother. Little brother does not have a pocket clip. There is no way to attach a pocket clip. It really is too small. This one, yep, like I said, there's that titanium pocket clip. But we give you the nylon. You know, if you're afraid to put that blade in your pocket, I understand. I so understand. Yeah, I'm not quite ready to put the 2.5 inches of scalpel into my pants pocket right next to my femoral artery. That just scares me a little bit. But I got a nylon case. Then I got no fear, no problem, no concerns. So there we go. Spare blades come with it. And that is your little introduction to the Oversized folding titanium craft scalpel knife. So they're in stock now, shipping now. Get yours. I know that they're doing some specials or something. So definitely get yours. Unfortunately, it's not like Costco. Or unfortunately, it is like Costco. You never know when you see stuff. You need to get it because it might not be there forever. We get orders that will sometimes wipe us out. If there's not a back order, then we may not make it for a while. This, though, is a winner. This is a great tool for EDC, survival kits, craft kits, whatever you need. Got to tell you, pretty nice little pet product here. Okay, hey, thank you so much for visiting with us. I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until next time, stay safe, be alert.